What is up guys, Brett here, brettdev.com, and there's a cat, amazing, just seen that, coming at you from Chiang Mai in Thailand again. Today I'm going to go and do a little video at a, let's get out of the sun, I'm going to go and do a little video at a fruit and veg market. It's a market in the middle of the old city that I haven't shown you before, but it's a really great market. I thought it'd be a good spot to kind of stop by and do a video. Right now I'm currently waiting for Mark, and I'm at his new condo. So he just moved like about a week ago, and check this place out. Pretty nice. If you guys would like me to do a video at this condo, then I'll put a little link up in the corner and you can have a little vote on it. Let me know. And we may be back doing yet another apartment tour with Mark. So this is at his new place. It's a bit not far from his old place. It's still in the old city of Chiang Mai, but what a view, eh? Look at the pool.
Why does no one say thank you anymore when you open the door?
What's that?
Why does no one say thank you when you open the door anymore for me?
Just rude, mate, innit? Where's your mask?
It's in my pocket.
Alright. Right, so we're going to the fruit market.
Yes, we are going to the fruit market.
I was just showing people your new place. I'm gonna.
It's not too bad, you know.
We won't do a tour today. No. But like I say, I'm gonna put a poll up. So if you guys want to see it, I'm sure Mark will let us see the inside and stuff like that. Then we can do that. But for now, let's get to the market.
Yeah, the market is literally down there, mate.
It's up here and to the right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we're in Santitham. I'll put a little map up to show you where it is. Mark just moved here, and it's a pretty cool area. I was gonna do a video of this little neighborhood a long time ago because I used to live here, and I might do it next. Let me know. You can have a little vote. Like I said, we can do Mark's condo next, or we can do a tour of Santitham next. But yeah, how are you liking it, man?
I have to say, I've only kind of really driven through the place on a bike, so I didn't really know it that well, but obviously exploring it the last week, I think it's got absolutely everything. You've got loads of Thai restaurants, you've got loads of Thai shops, you've got little 20 baht shops, you've got the phalang shops, you've got English breakfast shops, you've got massage shops, you've got everything you want within walking distance around here. So it's absolutely perfect, especially someone like me that doesn't really get around on a motorbike too much.
Yeah, I like it. I told you before, it's like, this area reminds me of like a little miniature Bangkok, yeah, where it's just so much stuff, it's so busy. Like you say, you can get anything you want.
I mean, to give you an indication, right, the whole place is buzzing now and has been for the last week. And last week they still had the curfew and all the shops were closed. It's still buzzing. So imagine what it's going to be like when everything's fully open. Oh, dude, this place is packed. It's so rammed. Like, so I said it reminds me of Bangkok because it's very busy. Yeah. Which is great if you're like Mark, you don't ride a bike, you can just walk out your door and you're literally within walking distance anything you could want, yeah, including like this market that we're going to go to now and do a little video at. It's incredible, and the thing is, if you like Thai food and street food as well, you've just got so many stalls, and because there are so many stalls, it's all cheap, they're all competing for business, so you can quite easily get a nice meal for 40-50 baht. It includes rice and a main dish as well, so the pricing around is brilliant. There's so much competition.
Yeah, it's a cool area. I like living here. The only thing I didn't like about it was like as soon as you step out your house, if you live in Santitham, it's like full speed, like it's not relaxing, but you know, can't have it all. So what's this market called?
It's something like
Tha-nin or?
Let me get it on. Get it on my phone to confirm. Now these are open. They were open the other day as well, and this is brilliant. Really cheap little stuff, foods and cleaning stuff and all sorts.
These shops are all over Chiang Mai in Thailand, and they sell, like Mark just said, cleaning stuff, beauty products. Like I get my razors and shaving foam and stuff from there, and they're much cheaper than if you went to 7-Eleven or whatever.
Siri-Wattana Market or Tha-nin Market.
Yes.
Siri-Wattana.
So Mark's just pulled it up. The name of this place is Tha-nin.
Yeah, Tha-nin probably. Tha-nin Market.
It's Tha-nin, something like that.
Yeah, and it's Siri-Wattana. We've probably got two names.
Yeah. So let's have a little explore, eh? And where's all the fruit and veg? It's up there, right?
From what I could gather the other day, all the kind of food stuff's in the middle.
Right.
And then around the outside you've got like clothes shops and accessory shops.
Okay, let's have a look at the clothes.
Alright.
We'll look at the clothes.
There's a lot of female clothes.
In every Thai market, it's mostly female clothes. It's very hard to find.
You can understand that, really.
Yeah. But it's super cheap, guys. Look at this. How cheap is that?
Yeah, no.
You're talking like $3-4 for a pair of shoes?
They're
Crazy.
lady shoes, so I don't really know how much they generally lady shoes cost.
Well, in the last video, everybody saw your women's shoes.
Yeah, but that's just, I did it on a Saturday.
All right.
And the thing is, you've got a lot of these accessory shops as well, where you can get loads of different things. That's obviously an
Opticians. Yeah.
Which is brilliant.
Get your spectacles.
And like I say, this is, you know, they're still kind of recovering from the COVID-19, so it's pretty quiet in the scheme of things, but there's still a lot of people buzzing around.
Yeah, it's happening, man. Everything's opening up.
Yeah.
So the current state with the lockdown is that the alcohol ban has now been lifted, right?
Correct.
And restaurants are open?
Correct. You can't buy beer in restaurants, but you can now sit down in restaurants.
Okay. Yeah.
And I know that's the same in a few other places as well, because I looked at YouTube as well, and now in Pattaya restaurants have opened as well. So that seems to be the general consensus around Thailand now. But no alcohol in restaurants, but you can sit down up until 10 o'clock. There's still the curfew in place.
Still got the curfew, yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice though. It's nice to see everything opening up again.
I was saying this to one of the restaurant owners today, right? It's like everyone's really happy now, because it's like we're getting to the other side, and restaurant owners are happy because their businesses are open. And it's a really nice feeling on the streets now, because we're almost getting to the other side and we're now on our journey of getting back to normal. And it's really good to see all the shop owners really happy, because they've really been hit hard by this whole thing.
Yeah, people are pumped, aren't they? Everyone seems very happy.
You can feel it. You can feel it in the air.
Yeah. So we'll look over here. Is this another clothes shop?
They've got some good clothes shops around here, you know. I looked in one this morning.
Yeah, they've got lots. Problem is, nothing fits me because I'm such a fat bastard.
Yeah. I'm not too far behind you either.
Oh, this is what I was talking about. Here's the fruit market.
Okay, so that's food and that's fruit.
Yeah, so...
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So over here, guys, you've got all of the like food if you want to eat. It's basically a gigantic food court. Over there, and then all your clothes over here, and then your fruit and veg over here, which is what I wanted to see. So jump into there.
And also there's a fair few coffee shops around here as well, dotted in, like there's one there as well.
Right. Okay, so there you go. Anything you want to get, Mark?
Do you know what though? I couldn't tell you what any of these fruits are, if I'm honest. I've no idea what that is. No idea what that is. They're obviously clearly grapes.
These are dragon fruits, those are apples, mate.
Is this lychee or something? Something like that?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. They, believe it or not, I think it's Satsumas.
Oranges. Yeah.
Orangey Satsuma, yeah. Got a bunch of bananas the other day for 10 baht.
Really?
I keep meaning to buy myself a juicer so I can then come down to the market in the morning, just get a shitload of fruits and stuff together.
Yeah, I've got one, man. It's I spend about 200 baht every 3 days, and I make like a litre.
Nice.
It's so cheap.
Yeah,
it's so cheap.
What else do you put in it? Do you put any syrups in it? Or?
I put apples, carrots, cucumbers, peppers, dragon fruits.
Any milk, or is it just purely?
No, just I use a juicer, not a blender.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're gonna get anything, make sure you get a juicer, not a blender.
Okay.
Apparently, if you use a blender, because of the oxidization process, when it spins, it kills most of the nutrients.
Oh,
whereas a juicer is much better for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's have a look here. We've got fresh food here as well. Some dark. Wow.
You can guarantee they're so cheap as well.
Yeah, so these,
So that's seafood.
this will probably cost you like 30, 40 baht.
Correct, yeah.
And you get like a bag of it, and you
Yeah.
can get rice
Yeah.
that you can eat with it.
Mussels there, seafood.
Yeah, it comes in these bags like this,
Yeah.
and then you take it away, you can eat it at home. Oh, it's hot in it with the cooking.
If only we had smell-o-vision on the YouTube.
Yeah.
You could really smell the garlic.
Here we go, look, fish. This is like a Corona shield on all the food, right?
Exactly.
I love these fish. These fish are so nice. And that will only cost you 20, 30 baht for one of those fish.
That's why I like going down to the lake, because I bring you a big fish, you'll have like some...
Oh, Hoi Ting Tao?
Yeah, you'll have some fried
Yeah,
rice.
I'll put a link up on the video for that one. It's a good spot.
That's open as well.
This is a crab, right? Is that crab?
Yeah. Looks like crab. Yeah.
I need to get some food to take out for my missus, man, because she loves seafood, so...
Also, the other thing I'd say, because we're doing this about this area, right, there's a place called Siri-Wattana Buffet. Now, I've talked to you about this. It's in between here and Maya, so it's not far from here. You could probably walk in about 10 minutes. And it's a seafood buffet restaurant. And it's literally loads and loads of these rows with all different types of seafood, but it's a buffet.
I've been there. Is it behind the back? Behind, near Hillside?
I think so, yeah. It's down one of these sides, but
Yeah.
it's incredible. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, I've been there.
Good value, shitloads of seafood, fresh seafood.
Yeah.
The biggest prawns you've ever seen. And, oh, it's absolutely incredible.
I have to do a video at a buffet, yeah. I want to poke my camera through the hole to get a better shot. So yeah, just so much food, guys, as you can see.
And you know, you showed me that app on one of these Google Translates or something, where you can actually use your phone camera to put it towards some Thai text, and it will then translate.
Yeah,
it to your phone.
Google Translate, yeah.
Brilliant. 'Cause
Yeah.
a lot of these menus are in Thai.
Yeah. How much are the bananas? 30 baht. That's less than $1, guys. It's like 70, oh no, it's $1. About 98 cents, something like that. If you're vegan, you can switch off the channel right now. So here you go, guys, all your meats.
There's some bacon there.
Bacon, pork. Oh, there's what a smell in here, man. Oh, don't smell too good. If you're on a carnivore diet, you shouldn't have any problems with this place, right? You got your pig's ears. Pile of guts. Nice.
They look like kidneys to me.
Guts there. So somebody recently posted and asked where can you get fresh produce, and places like this, they're everywhere.
Yeah, markets are clearly a good idea, and there's lots of these markets all over Chiang Mai.
This is very, very cheap, man. Where I buy mine, it's much more expensive than this.
Is this the banana lady?
Yep. They're alright,
I'll
yeah.
take these ones. Can I take these ones, please? A couple. Is that like a?
40 ค่ะ
So lots of greens and vegetables and...
What are these vegetables you talk of?
Do you know what? The greens here, I don't know what any of it is. It's all very different, isn't it?
It's like some of these fruits.
Huh?
It's like some of these fruits. Kwan will chop something up, so I don't know what it looks like on the outside. And then she'll say, oh, I don't know the name in English, and she'll give it to me, and I'll quite like it, but I don't know what on earth I've just eaten. How do you feel on durian?
Durian, never eaten it.
Haven't you?
No. I'm saving that for a future video because I'm sure I'll throw up and it'll be funny.
It's not that. The only thing I don't like is the texture. The smell's a little bit funny, but it's the texture. It's like a really mushy fruit.
Right.
Imagine eating like a really mushy banana that's kind of on the turn. Really, it's like that.
On the turn.
It's mushy.
Oh, I like this, man. I might get some of this.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Mu ping, yeah? Pork on a stick, chicken. These are the best ones. These are my favourite. They're covered in Mark, can you grab that for me? Just while I'll give you the money back. Just while I'm holding the camera. A couple of those.
Normally there's a little plastic container that they use. But
yeah.
They do that. Got two of them.
Thai cup.
Do you want two of these?
Yes, please, mate.
Anything else?
No, that's good, man. Thank you.
Just a cup.
Thank you, man.
And I learned the other night, this is like chin mu. It's pork balls.
Right.
Like chin mu. Oh, when you said get it for me, do you mean you
yeah.
need to, oh, I get you. I see. You carry that around and I pay for it. I get you.
Well, my money's like in my bag. I have to put the camera down. And
it's the old money in the bag routine.
Never look. I could do with a coffee really, but it's so hot, I'll probably just die.
But they say though that drinking a hot drink when it's quite hot is quite refreshing for you. I've never really seen the logic of that.
No, me neither. So Mark, is this man bag to go with your shoes?
No, but what I've done is I bought a pair of grey trainers today off Lazada that's going to go in my grey t-shirt.
Right.
But it's a nice little ensemble, I think. It's quite casual for the day. You can even decide to use it in the evening if you so desire, I think. And you can, the good thing about this bag, you can also have it on the other shoulder as well, so it's quite dexterous as a bag, so I quite like it. Yes.
Okay guys, so that's Siri-Wattana Market. I hope you liked it. If you did, then check out this playlist. There's a bunch more videos of other markets. Or check out this other video, you might like that one. And until next time guys, take care, peace.